Here's how to add confetti to your Builderall page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code, go to the Builderall website, and once you're logged in, it will route you directly to your dashboard. Go ahead and open your website, and then choose the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown, we will use the Thank You page. Go ahead and click on the three dots and then click on the Settings button. Scroll all the way into the Page Script section. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier. Or use the text shortcut Ctrl-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the box, click the Save button right here on the upper right corner. Now, to see the confetti code animation in action, click on the three dots one more time, and this time, go to the website page. And if you did all the steps I mentioned earlier correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.